You like that, did you?
No. What the fuck?
It could literally fly off my head from how.
Oh!
Wow.
Pulled off the gas because the van pulled out. Quite incorrectly in my opinion, but our horny friend here does not care, it's just beep beep beep. It is never okay to go the wrong side of a keep left. I reported this to Essex Police Extra Eyes, and they got a ticket. Any pedestrian crossing the road would have been looking in the wrong.
I'll tell you a goated trio in 2 times Alexa. Evo Baby Dragon. You know, I've told you what Evo Baby Dragon does, don't I?
I think so.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my god!
Oh my god. Jesus!
Is fucking super skeptical of almost
not everyone.
Goddamn, a lot of people do.
A lot, but not everyone.
You're right. I'm exaggerating, but there's many more than during like my parents' age.
Infinitely more.
You know why? Yeah, social media. Eli. Yes. That's a big
Mate, they have right of way for crossing. You're the one that's in the wrong there by driving. They have that right of way, but you're trying to drive them over. So what? You run them over because you're in the wrong. They have right of way. Who cares, mate? You almost killed them. Get back in the car and drive on. Are you gonna hit them? Get back in the car and drive on. Go and fight the world. Go and punch a wall. You know what I mean, mate? You go on with your day. You're all right. All right. No danger, right? No danger, right? You're right, you win. Come on, let's get back in the car. Have a lovely day, mate.
Target specific human being. It's not good. It's also not good if you don't know those people exist, and if people can't counter those people in those comments, And if people can't highlight how egregious some of the things they're saying are, how awful some of the things they're saying are.
He's angry because his girlfriend's ugly, bro.
Go to the bus loops. Stay to the right a bit. Where's he going? What the fuck?
Is he pulling me over?
No, it's not. It's pulling you over.
Me, go, what?
Is he stupid or something?
I'm doing it.
Is he actually stupid?